In elf.
Okay.
Elfie. Elfie. Anybody getting close over this table?
Cameron looks good.
Yeah, he's.
Okay. Candy.
Candy. Christmas lights. Oh, you guys getting close?
I have 2 more.
2 more?
Why are you freaking out as a squiggle? You had to pick through all the browns and all the greens. You had to choose which browns. In Christmas tree.
In Christmas tree. Oh, you're getting
Christmas tree. I have 2 of those.
getting close. Gingerbread girl.
I got both of them.
You guys getting close?
Yeah, I just need 2 more.
2 more?
2 more. Right there. Christmas cat.
Be Christmas cat.
I have gingerbread.
Jared, you're having way too much fun at this, baby.
I know.
I love these. That's my favorite game.
Christmas cat. Meow.
Tim, are you recording?
Yeah, it's not right now.
Angel. Angel or O Angel?
Angel. Bonita's the angel. She says I angel.
Are we voting? Good job, Blake. 2 great. Okay, then. Go down and get some more if you got time. You can get them more. Okay. You can get them back. Blue.
Yeah.
Careful, Blake. Careful. He pushed his chair. Elena, pick hers up for her.
6, 5, 4,